Okay, up to understand. Na? Your question, find the equivalent capacity and total capacity. You consider one thickness. Understand? So अब now C equivalent is equal to 0 to a DC. अब C is equal to epsilon naught K x dx. Kx na? What consider? Kx na? The Kx. This rough na? Total rough. Remember, C equivalent is equal to integration 0 to a dc. dc na, this elementary form C na, dc, total capacitor C, so this capacitor dc. Understand? Of dc is equal to C is equal to, what is C? C is equal to capacitor. The capacitor value, tell me. C is equal to epsilon naught K A by D. Yes or no? This from basic formula. C is equal to epsilon naught K A by D. This also not remember, so this remember. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Actually, dielectric K given, so I apply Ks. Dielectric Kx given, so I apply Kx. Understand? Yes or no? So remember. So this is integration 0 to a. Integration 0 to a. Remember all student. C is equal to epsilon naught K A. A is equal to length into breadth. A is equal to length into breadth. So this distance, this total distance x, or this distance dx. So x into dx. Yes or no? Yes or no? By total distance d. D na? Plate distance d na? Understand? So what answer? Tell me what answer? C equivalent is equal to any common, epsilon naught K common by D common, integration x dx, limit 0 to a. अब now solve, this is your answers. Not understand? Okay, I rough some. First understand. Remember, your question find the C equivalent. So C equivalent is equal to DC, integration. Why DC apply? Because my one plate, you consider one thickness, elementary form. This is one plate. Understand? This is one plate. Okay, your question find the C equivalent. This of this place you consider D. What is this? This na, this consider na DC. And total C, so this is DC. Total X, this X, so this is DX. Understand? Yes or no? So my question, DC. Only I find the C on this point, sir. Only this place. Understand? Yes or no? See this. I find only for this place. This elementary form. This is also capacitor, na? No. You know pizza, you eat the pizza. One pizza, 4 part divide. Oh, this is what is this? This is also pizza, na? Another thing, sir. This total capacitor, this part cut. So what is this? Capacitor, another thing comes, sir. Understand? Cannot understand? Yes or no? So this total capacitor, this is also capacitor, na? But this capacitor is known as DC, integration form, elementary form. Understand? Yes or no? This capacitor is known as elementary form. Of this, consider this place. Yeah, you consider this place. Yeah, you consider this place. Yeah, you consider this place. What all are? All are clear concept? Yes or no? 100% clear. So this is a capacitor. So my question, find the total equivalent. Find the total equivalent. So C equivalent is equal to DC. Up to plate start this place. This is plate. This is plate. This total distance A. I told you a square plate distance A, side A square plate side A. Side A means this total side A. This consider origin. So this is 0. So this is, understand, this place consider origin. So this is 0, this total. So 0 to a na, 0 to a na. So understand. So 0 to a. Clear? Of C is equal to normal formula, general formula. C is equal to, capital is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught. Epsilon naught what value? K na. So this is dielectric epsilon. Epsilon is equal to epsilon naught K. Electric force I teach na. F is equal to K Q1 Q2. It is K Q1 Q2 by R square. What is K? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. I teach na. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 into Q2 by. What is epsilon? The epsilon is equal to epsilon naught is equal to epsilon R. What is epsilon R? Relative permittivity. Epsilon is equal to K, consider. So C is equal to epsilon naught K. All things remember, sir. All things remember. Not start the capacitor to only capacitor. This also. Okay. Understand? Yes or no? Clear concept? So C equivalent is equal to 0 to a DC. So DC is equal to integration 0 to a epsilon naught K dielectric into area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So this to this distance x, this distance dx. The length x. This is the x into dx. Yes or no? By total this side, this distance. What distance given? D. The D constant, epsilon naught constant, K constant, D constant outside. Understand? So what answer? C equivalent is equal to epsilon naught K by D integration 0 to a x dx. Now integration. Solve this question. Solve this question. This answers. Understand, Sanjay? Sanjay, understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, any question you give, sir, then only we can fully understand, sir. Example question.
First write down, sir. First theory understand. Na ki direct start the numerical. Tell me, Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Without theory, start numerical.
After this only I am saying, sir.
After this. Write down. Now all Karthikeyan understand. All students 100% understand. Na? Now all students try along y-axis. Try. Solution try along y-axis. Side A. Write down along y-axis. Write down a square plate. Side B. A square plate. Side B. Rough na Sanjay, rough. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
All students write down along y-axis. All students write down along y-axis. Side B. K is equal to write down all students. K is equal to KY. K is equal to KY. All students write down K is equal to KY.
Side B, sir.
Side B.
Square plate side B, sir.
Yes, sir. Try, okay, solve the question. Complete. F not Q. Huh? 0 to D. We have correct. Huh, correct. Same method. Same logic. No, no, no. Parallel. Y means correct, but some changes. Y means both the same. Correct. Both correct. Both correct. So one concept, basically one concept, remember, mostly all students correct answer, but starting some problem. Finally answer this, sir. I also solved this answer, you also solved this answer. All students same answer. So all students solve. Venkatesh solve this question. Venkatesh.
Sir, which question, sir?
Now I told na कि find the equivalent capacitor along y-axis. I told na a square plate B. Sanjay, you solve. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve or send the WhatsApp. All students, this is also the correct. Sure. No need. All same answer. One solve, all copy. Which student correct solve? Starting you solve. Is this you solve? All student copy. You copy.
Sir, you solve, sir.
Okay, both online student send the WhatsApp. So now. Now you send, I check your answer. Online student, now you send the WhatsApp, I check, sir. Okay, understand? So along y-axis, understand? Very good, all students solve. Okay, very good. A talking boy. Okay, now two concept remember, sir. Hello, always two concept remember. Ki sometime remember ki this is capacitor. This is a square plate capacitor, no? A square plate capacitor. Two type question given. I diagram 2. I diagram 2. This two type question. Okay, understand? This is this distance D. This distance D. This distance D. Understand? This area A. This is A. This is A. Two type question. Area divide. Yeah, distance divide. How many question? Two type. Only all page is open. S.C. Verma, Irodo, Resnick Halibade. What is? M. Karim. Any book open. Any book open. Assignment. Any teacher give the assignment. Any book open. Two type question. One question distance divide. One question area divide. How many question? Two question. One question distance divide. But you tell me, I divide this, this, or this is one dielectric K1, or this one dielectric K2. Area divide ke distance divide. Area divide, both y divide. Area divide, na? This plate distance, this distance D, na? This distance D, na? So this total A. So now A by 2, A by 2. Understand? What divide? What divide? Area. अब second question, this type question given. One dielectric K1 or one dielectric K2. What divide? What divide? Now remember, this is along x-axis, and this is along y-axis. Y-axis, yeah, area divide. Y-axis or area divide means series. No, parallel. Area divide means parallel, or distance divide means series. Understand? Always mindset. Area divide. This is area divide. So what answer? Parallel. So parallel equivalent. C equivalent. This question C equivalent. C1 plus C2. This is na C1 plus C2. So this is C1 is equal to K1 epsilon naught A. What? Total A So this is A by 2 into D plus K2 epsilon A by 2D. Yes or no? This is equal to K epsilon naught A by D, total A, total D, epsilon A D, epsilon A D, epsilon A D. So what answer? K equivalent is equal to K1 plus K2 by. Understand? Understand? Sanjay, understand?
Yes, sir. If area divide means parallel, distance divide means series, sir.
So this understand how to solve this understand na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
What? Topic name no, sir. Same topic. Same topic. Same topic. Understand? Clear na? So see, this is A. This is what is this? Hey, hello. Wait 1 minute. Karthikeyan, what is this? What divide? So what? Series means 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Yes or no? Yes or no? So 1 by C. C is equal to epsilon naught A Ka by D. Yes or no? Understand? Na? Epsilon naught Ka by D. This C1 is equal to 1 by epsilon naught K1 A by D. Distance half na? So D by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Plus of this C2 is equal to 1 by epsilon naught K A D by 2. Any cancel? Epsilon A D, epsilon A D, epsilon cancel. 1 by C, sorry, 1 by K is equal to 1 by K is equal to 1 by 2 K1 plus 1 by 2 K2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Understand? The K equivalent find. K equivalent find. Solve this question. Solve. This understand, na? This right now.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, you put two squares na sir. One K1, K2, one and another what, sir?
What K1, K2? Where?
K1 in the square, sir. A square.
This,
No, sir, the square, sir. Square.
where is square? Nothing is square.
Square
Sir.
plate.
This K1, K2. K1, K2 only.
Ah,
This is distance
okay.
D. This is distance D. This distance D, K1, K2. K1, K2.
Okay.
First this one. Karthikeyan, first this solve total. Again this diagram starts. Both one time start now to confusion. Separate.
Sir, for D is also same method, sir.
And
D by 2 apply, sir.
What divide? Area divide with distance divide. Only remember this.
Sir, show me the full board, sir. Down, not clear, sir.
Now this solve. What value? 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by C equivalent is equal to C equivalent is equal to K epsilon naught K A by D. Understand? Epsilon naught A K by D. This is epsilon naught K1 A by D by 2. Understand? This is epsilon naught K2 A D by 2. Epsilon naught A D, epsilon naught A D, epsilon naught A D cancel. So what value? 1 by K equivalent is equal to 1 by 2K1 plus 1 by 2K2. So find the K equivalent. What is that K equivalent? 2K1 into K2 by K1 plus K2. I think this na 2K1 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 K2 by K1 by K2. This answers. Understand? This type logic, not tough logic, easy logic. Understand? Pranav, understand? Karthikeyan, this type question exam time ask to solve na. Again remember, this type question divide 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 6 part, 7 part, 8 part, 9 part, any part divide, another part divide, but equally divide. Means one question I given, wait 1 minute. This question given, okay? This is D, or this is A. This question given. I divide. Look, remember. K1, K2, K3. So always remember how many part divide? How many part divide? 3 part. 1, 2, 3 part divide na. So what divide? Area divide ki distance divide? Area divide to parallel ki series. Parallel. Area divide. So K equivalent is equal to what answer? Direct answer. K1 plus K2 plus K3 by 3. And now n time divide. This also, n time divide. So what answer? K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus K4 plus K5, K5, Kn by n. Always remember, any question this type, equal divide. Distance to distance equal divide, not. Understand? Hey, forget. Next point, write down. All write down. In copy na. Hello. Copy na, write down. Area divide to what? Your mind remember, sir. Okay, next point, write down. Tell me.
Sir, in this question, we want to find C equivalent only, no, sir.
No, K equivalent, sir. C equivalent not answer. K equivalent. This type question asks the K equivalent. C equivalent, no. Understand?
Sir, but in book they asked, sir.
Where book? Send the picture.
Yes, sir.
Your
Okay,
question, find the equivalent capacitance dielectric. So K find, not C find. K equivalent, not C equivalent find, sir. Okay. Next point, write down. Next point, write down. Or no. Next point, write down. Next point, write down. Of this na, hello. Hey, or no. This na, this one capacitor. This one capacitor. One capacitor. This is yes or no. This positive, this negative. Last condition, total field, sir. Total field na. Yes or no? Last all question is solved. Total dielectric field, sir. Now no, partial. Partial means a small part. Means this dielectric, this capacitor. Hey, this is capacitor. You put dielectric this, only this. This given, this thickness given, T or something given, all things given. Total one capacitor. Total one capacitor. Understand? Now capacitor. Inside air. Inside air. Now one partial. Partial means a small part. Understand? Partial dielectric. So partial dielectric is given. This is partial dielectric. This distance, thickness T, total distance T. Now your question, find the C equivalent. Find the equivalent. Understand? Find the equivalent. So this consider X. Understand? This consider X. Okay. So this is T. So this is this value. This value, tell me, total D. This distance X. This distance T. So this distance D minus Tx minus T. Yes or no? Yes or no? This distance T D minus T minus T plus X. Yes or no? Clear? This partial derivation, partial dielectric come this place. Any dielectric partial part come. This X, this T, a total distance D. So this consider X. This is D. So this part total minus this. D minus T plus X. Okay. Now your question, find the C equivalent. So C equivalent, C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. Understand? So how many voltage? Remember, this 1 point, this consider voltage V1, this V2, this V3, this V4. Yes or no? Dielectric, put the voltage change na. Now capacitor no change. Capacitor same. So what value? Q by, what value? Q by V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 plus V2 plus V3. Yes or no? This consider V1. This consider V1. This consider V2. And this consider V3. Understand? Yes or no? Sanjay, understand? This point voltage.
Can you repeat that?
This consider V1. This consider V2. This consider V3. This X distance. This distance T. So this remaining distance T minus, sorry, D minus T plus X. So C equivalent is equal to Q by V. Q is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So remember, C is equal to Q. V is equal to voltage is equal to, tell me, V is equal to Q, formula, Q, volt. V is equal to Q A, this na? Tell me, V is equal to what formula? V is equal to Q X by epsilon naught A. This, yes or no? Q, yes or no? Understand? Yes or no? Wait 1 minute. Hey, full student, come this place. See, V is equal to E into D. Yes or no? E into D. E is equal to Q A epsilon naught. Yes or no? Into D. Yes, this formula na. Up now, V1 is equal to what formula? This formula fit this V1. So what value? Q by A epsilon naught into X plus V2 is equal to, tell me, V2 is equal to Q A epsilon naught K. Dielectric K put na. This dielectric K na. The K into T. Yes or no? Plus next Q by epsilon naught A. Epsilon A. What value? D minus T per minus X. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sanjay, understand? Sanjay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any common? देखो Q cancel. Yes or no? Yes or no? Write down. Up to write down all student. Write down again, rough again. This C is equal to Q by V. V is equal to, this consider V1, this consider V2, this consider V2, V3. The Q by V1 plus V2 plus V3. Understand? V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 is equal to ED. E is equal to Q A epsilon D. So D is equal to X. Na? D is equal to X. Okay. So what formula? Q A epsilon into X plus this dielectric K. So Q by A epsilon K into T, thickness T na. This air. So what will Q by epsilon A? T minus D minus T minus X plus minus. Understand? This simplify, solve the question. Sanjay, understand?
Yes, sir.
This
Sir,
type-
if you discuss questions, I will understand more, sir.
What?
Next class, can you discuss questions based on this,
I
sir?
discuss. Next class I discuss this type question. Next class I discuss this type question. But all student homework, dielectric I teach. All dielectric full remember, sir. All concept remember. IT NEET board exam also has a question this type. IT also, NEET also. All exam has the question. This simplify. Karthikeyan, this simplify what answer tell me. I think answer. Answer epsilon cut cancel A by 4. This rough, upside rough, diagram rough. Diagram rough. अब now C is equal to, देखो hello Q cancel ना, A epsilon F of go up, A epsilon naught remaining what value, this place X, this place T by K, this na, this place plus D minus T minus X, this na, any cancel, XX cancel, XX cancel, this na, the remaining what value, C is equal to A epsilon naught D plus minus T plus T by K. This is the C equivalent. What is T? What is T? Thickness of the partial capacitor. Understand? D total distance. I consider X na, X cancel na, so not important X. So only write down any question this type. So A epsilon naught by D minus T plus K by T by K.
Sir.
Now tell me.
Sir, one doubt, sir. T by K alone, one time explain, sir.
T by K na,
sir.
this T by K na Sanjay. I beat you. This T K
Sir,
na.
sir, that out, sir, K downside. That alone I found.
Dielectric put na, dielectric K na. A thickness T na, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what formula? Epsilon naught K. This capacitor what formula? Q by A epsilon naught K into T. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
It's all not a study in home, this behavior. So one, write down. I give the one concept, more thickness given. Wait 1 minute. First, this writings. Means I teach only one thickness, na? One thickness put, one partial derivation of one capacitor, 100 partial capacitor is given, sir. So how to solve? So not 100 times solve this, na? I have now create the logic. Rough. Rough. Ab Parno rough. Ab now. All students remember. All students remember. This is one capacitor. Remember, one capacitor. Okay. D or A. This given. D or A given. Okay. And one thickness this given, one thickness this given, one thickness, one more another thickness given. Now your question, find the equivalent, C equivalent. So not now this consider X, V1, V2, V3, very lengthy. The one concept, any question this type, rough, Any question this type, not diagram, only diagram. Any question more partial dielectric given, K1, K2, K3, T1, T2, T3, any partial derivation given, the only formula remember, C is equal to epsilon naught A. This is a fixed, same formula. Same formula. By this same formula, minus summation of Ti. I means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I means 1 to n. How many? I don't know. Means 5 dielectric. 5 partial derivation. So T1 plus T minus T2 minus T3 minus T4 minus T5. Wait, no, 1 minute, wait, na. Plus summation I is equal to 1 to n Ti by Ki. This is the formula of nth partial dielectric. Write down. Nth partial derivation, nth partial dielectric is equal to C equivalent is equal to epsilon A by this formula. Dielectric. Only dielectric. Okay. So today your chemistry complete, sir. Okay. Any doubt? Miss dielectric type question complete. Exam time, only this type question asked. Up now you practice, sir. So practice means first you go home and all formula remember. All formula remember. Again practice, sir.